Good afternoon, welcome back. So today we're gonna be going to the Papiliorama. Is that right?
What?
Papiliorama?
Papiliorama.
Papiliorama?
Ja.
Papiliorama.
Was ist mit dem L?
Die sagt man nicht.
Ah, ist das Französisch?
Ja.
Okay.
You see the solar panels? I think that's what use it. That's what makes it move. Oh, snap. Welcome to Papiliorama.
Die grösste Rocke ist der Riesenmann. 7 Meter, 3 Tonnen. Du bist ja da?
So I'm actually inside the Papiliorama. in this section they showed caterpillars and the pupae, how they form the cocoons and how they just transform themselves into butterflies and also moths. And I think those are really good because for people who don't understand or know, then you have the information before you. Whoop, 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 whoop. Underneath, I was looking to see if there was actually any more boas that might surprise me, because when I first came in, I was not expecting this. That was creepy, to say the least. And then, the further you go inside, you hear noise, but you can't see where it's coming from. And I was like, what is that? Turns out it was actually bats flying around. Luckily it was like in an enclosure still, but I could not see it. So like inside was so dark to the point that your eyes have to take a while to adjust to it. And as you can see with the camera, that's how I actually saw things. I couldn't actually see it with my naked eye. It was so weird. It was really weird. Going around looking to see if I can find the animals that are crawling around, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, this part is open. Is this a part of the snake? Is something going to touch me? I can't. Inside was just giving eerie feeling, Halloween, creepy, take you away, drag you into the dark, you won't come out alive. That's what it was giving. But it was actually cool to actually see these type of animals that are usually awake during the dark. So the nocturnal animals, it was really an eye-opener. And then I went back to the other side where you see the light. Was like an enclosure for crickets and stick bugs and just bugs in general and breeding. Y'all, I kind of have a bug phobia, so this is one of the reasons why I could never go camping. Look, you see this? You see that? The bats. Listen, the smell. Whew. You're smelling it, but it was just a eerie feeling, but at the same time it was just like you're safe, but you don't feel safe, if you know what I mean. Oh wow. Where is he? What was that song? Did you see the snake when you went in? It was so big. That small? That snake was
die
small?
Boa,
Yeah.
die ist klein. Die kann bis 12 Meter werden.
Und hast du in the breeding section gegangen? Oh my gosh. I saw the stick bugs. Wahnsinnig. Echt wahnsinnig. Brücke? Bist du nicht darauf? What is that? That does not look like an iguana. That looks more like a... What do you call this? Siehst du etwas? Was ist das? Eisbärchen oder was?
Waschbär.
Waschbär. Oh. It's actually...
Nee, oben siehst du nicht. Das ist nicht gut.
Here I was so confused. I wasn't sure if they were fighting or they were just playing around or just hugging or what. Like, and then afterwards, I saw the one on the right. It just stood up on its hind leg with the claws. I was like, whoa. Them claws though.
Dat is het alsjeblieft.
Oh, ik had die kuschelen allemaal. Ja, dat is hard. Oh.
Wie schmeckt das?
Ja.
Willst du meine probieren? It just throws me off with the fizz.
Hä?
Mit den Kohlensäure. Ich habe das nicht erwartet.